Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about one of the very important primary activities, that is mining. So mining is done for the minerals which is present within the earth. It is a very important process for the development of any of the nation, because any of the nation having raw materials or these kind of minerals within their boundary, it is very beneficial for them to export and import or do trade with these particular kind of minerals. And similarly, if a country is deprived of these kind of minerals, obviously have to spend money in importing those particular minerals. So let's start with the definition of what is mining. Mining is basically the extraction of valuable minerals or other geological material from the earth. Means from the earth we actually take out certain minerals which we can process and get in use for our day-to-day activity or different other kind of activities. So there are two types of mining, depending upon the depending upon the depth of the mineral within the crust or the type of the minerals. So depending upon that, we have two types of mining. For the first one is your surface mining, and underground mining is the second one. So surface mining is done for those minerals which are near to the surface, and underground mining is done for those minerals which are deep into the surface. So let's go in details for each one of them. So the first one is surface mining. Surface mining is near to the surface, the minerals are near to the surface, and this is also known as open cast mining. That means we clear up the entire land, we deforest the entire land, and then we dig out the land and reach till the mineral and scoop up the mineral from there, and we get it to the industries or the factories wherever it is required. So this is surface mining. Second one is your underground mining. So in underground mining, the mines are actually very deep into the surface. We cannot dig so much of land. That is why it is also known as closed end mining or closed pit mining. Here you can see in this particular picture that the mines are deep within the surface, and digging up this much amount of land, it's not a very good idea. So that is why people out there, like people for these kind of people involved in these kind of mining, they actually make shafts or they make lifts like this, in which the human goes down till the mines, carry the mines back to the surface. So this is how it goes on. This is one of the tunnel where you can see like underground tunnels are made in which the human goes. This is the lift from where they go down, and from there they bring up the minerals. So this is there. Now let's have a quick revision on these two kind of mining and compare them. First thing which you need to know in surface mining, that the mines are near to the surface, and in underground mining the mines are far away from the surface. In surface mining we disturb a large area, we actually deforest a large area, and then we dig up the entire area to take out the mineral, whereas in underground mining we don't disturb a large amount of area. In fact, we disturb only a small surface area, okay, because we don't have to do open pit mining, right? So the second difference which you need to focus on, that surface mining is cheaper. You don't require very well developed technology for surface mining, but you cannot do the same with underground mining. It has to be very technologically efficient, and it is very expensive compared to the surface mining. The next one which you need to focus on is regarding safety. Surface mining is safer than underground mining. Underground mining is actually dangerous. So anything can happen, explosion can happen, or any other kind of disease can come in the body of the miner, because when you go deep within the crust, different types of gases are there which you inhale, and you might fall in dangerous lung diseases and all. Okay, and surface mining, it is more efficient. As you can see, it is cheaper. It is the miners are safe in this, whereas in underground mining it is expensive, it is dangerous. That is why we consider it to be little less efficient also. So the next thing which you need to know here is the example that in surface mining we mine certain minerals, for example coal. Okay, and in underground mining we do mining for like gold, we can say petroleum, all those things we actually take from the underground mining. So this much from today's lecture. I hope you have understood. Let's meet with the next